The ingredients used when making sushi might appear to be humble and simple at first glance, but the way they are combined and served is nothing short of culinary elegance. And we are getting a lesson in elegance from Jack Chen, who is the owner of OC Chopsticks. Thank you so much for coming back to see us again. So, what are you making us do today?
Hi, yes. We're going to make the sushi deluxe today.
Sushi deluxe.
Yep. So you can call it sushi platter. And first, I'm going to show you how to make the sushi rice.
Okay.
First.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Apple?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right.
Okay.
She's doing the rice.
So this is like sushi rice.
Okay.
Right. And then we have to put some sauce.
Okay,
so the sauce probably like to the rice like 1 to 5. Oh, that's good. That's good.
That's good. Okay.
Not too much. Okay. And you just mix well to making sure
it's covered all the way.
Yeah.
And what was this I just poured in here?
It's like a vinegar sauce.
Vinegar sauce, okay.
Yeah, actually put
vinegary.
some salt and the sugars and the rice vinegar, but the rice vinegar is important.
Okay.
Okay. So we mix the rice and then we have to let them, after you mix really well, and we have to wait for about 5 minutes to let them cool down and get a little bit sticky.
A little bit sticky,
Not too sticky, right?
Okay, so is that good?
Yeah, I think you can mix a little more.
A little more? Okay.
Yeah.
So while she's mixing, tell us where we can find you.
Okay, so I'm come from the OC Chopsticks. We are in the Ocean City outlet of Ocean City.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. So we've been there almost 3.5 years.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, obviously you're doing well then.
Good, thank you so much.
That is awesome. Thank you so much for joining us. We always look forward to when you come in. Now, I will have to admit, I think we're going to be a little bit short of time. Can we kind of shortcut this just for TV, since we don't have a full 5 minutes to?
Sure, no problem. Yeah, no problem. So it's good to go now.
Okay.
You know, so we just wait for a little bit. Okay, that's good. Okay. Okay.
It's gooder now.
All right.
It's better now.
It's gooder now. Okay.
So now,
There's the rice.
So the next step is I'm going to show you is how to cut a fish.
Okay.
Right. For the sushi platter. So this is the yellowfin tuna.
Yellowfin tuna.
We usually use yellowfin tuna or bluefin tuna, right?
Any particular reason why?
Yeah. It's all depend how people like it, but we have two different types of tuna. So we slice the fish like this, right?
Jack, I couldn't slice it like that if I
No.
spent the rest of the day on it.
Oh,
Wow.
yeah, that's Spain. Yeah, you need the time for learn this one. Not easy though. Looks easy, but because like sushi life is like so sharp, you know.
Okay. So that's salmon?
Yeah, this is salmon. So for the salmon, normally we had to put in the whole salmon, have to be very fresh, and then we have to cut it, and then we put it in the freezer almost like over 24 hours. And then after that, so we take it out and like defrost, and it's like ready for sushi.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay.
So most times you don't want something out of the freezer, but this time you do. Okay, gotcha.
All right.
All right, what's that?
So this is the albacore tuna. We call it white tuna.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a different type of tuna, right?
Man, you make that look so easy.
He does.
You see the life? Yeah.
How long have you been doing this?
Me? Too long.
Too long?
25 years.
25 years ago.
Yeah.
All right, so just
And
to
this
give
is the yellowtail.
I'm sorry, say it again.
So this is
Yellowtail?
the yellowtail fish. So this is from Japan. Okay. All right.
Okay.
And this is cooked shrimp.
Shrimp. That's my favorite.
Okay.
And that's ready to go.
So now, so we are ready to make
To put it together.
put it together like sushi.
All right, we'll tell you what. How about if we do this? We're going to take a real quick break.
Sure.
And then when we come back, Jack Chen with OC Chopsticks is going to show us how sushi is done right. Delmarva Life will be right back.
Got it. Thank you.
So the fresh fish, all thinly sliced, the rice properly mixed by the best. If you didn't know April Brilliant could do that, did you? It is time to combine them now. Jack Chen from OC Chopsticks is with us. He is the expert on making this special sushi deluxe. So you've got all the things you need.
Yes. Are you guys ready?
Let's do
Yes,
this.
we're ready.
I want to see this.
All right. So we got all the like sliced fish here ready. So now it's time to make the sushi deluxe. So this is tuna, rice,
It's like a magician when he does that.
It is.
I can do a little bit slower. Yeah.
Now, you were telling us there's 3 different kinds. There's sushi.
Yep. So sushi is like we have like sashimi. It's just like without the rice. It's only
Okay.
like sliced fish, or the raw fish or cooked fish. It's called sashimi. And the other one called sushi. So just like now,
Right.
we have the sliced fish over the rice.
Right,
Right. So
right.
so this called like sushi. And the other one is like most popular here. People call rolls, like California rolls, Chen tempura rolls, and spicy tuna rolls. That's called rolls.
Okay.
So usually just like roll it out with a bamboo.
I
Yeah.
thought it was all the rolls. I
Yeah.
thought all sushi was
You
rolls.
educate us every time you get here, Jack. Thank you.
Good, thank you. And this is the yellowtail we're making.
Okay.
Yellowtail fish. Actually, you can make any kind of all type of fish as a sushi, like a striped bass, like a fluke,
Really?
like sea trouts.
Yeah.
You see, and
So,
those, yeah.
do you have a favorite? Do you have anything you like more than?
My favorite, I think, is like salmon and tuna.
Yeah.
And also, I like the striped bass too.
Oh, do you? Okay.
Yep. And this is a shrimp. It's already cooked. It's a steamed shrimp. Right.
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
I love shrimp.
Also, you can make like crab meat as a sushi too. See?
Really?
Yeah.
I can't even imagine how you do that. You know, I want you to understand that this is a compliment, Jack. My mouth is watering. I am so ready to get in
make
the
it look-
middle of this.
Really easy.
All right, I've already asked you once, but tell me again, where can we find you? Where can we find OC Chopsticks?
OC Chopstick is in the West Ocean City. We are inside of the Ocean City outlets. Yeah, actually, we are next to Under Armour store. That's I told most people.
Oh, okay, I know where you are now. Okay,
Yep.
yeah, that was it.
So now, so we already make the sushi.
Okay.
Oh, now you're going to make it pretty. Ah, see.
Tuna,
This is the best part.
this salmon, this yellowtail, right? This shrimp and white tuna. Now we have to make one more roll for that. To
Okay.
make it more completely.
One more roll.
Yep.
So, do you put it in any particular order there? I mean, like, should I eat one fish and then another for the taste or anything, or is it just jump in the middle of it and eat it?
Yeah, you can eat whatever you want, you know.
Yeah.
And then so now the sushi deluxe usually, so I make the roll for like tuna roll.
Right, right.
They make easier.
I'm sorry, let me see if I can
I tried to turn it off.
get this
I
to
hit it.
stop. There we go.
Okay. So that's easy. Just put in the seaweed and the rice,
Okay.
and put the raw
That's
tuna
it.
inside.
Oh, this is
Or
how you
some
roll
people,
it.
if you like California roll, you can make put the crab meat inside, right? It all depends. Or Jimmy like the spicy tuna roll. right?
Yes, oh, that spiced tuna is so good.
Okay.
But let me tell you, this is something I tried and I tried. He hasn't been able to teach me yet how to roll this properly.
It doesn't
I haven't
look like
been
it.
able to do
Well, it looks easy, but it probably
Yeah.
isn't quite as easy.
There's
It
a
looks
skill to
easy.
this.
It's not that easy.
Now I see we got 2 kind of sauces over there.
Okay.
We've got wasabi and what else?
Wasabi and ginger. So
And
now we
ginger.
are ready to cut these rolls. Okay. Their life is really short, though, Jimmy.
I'm not going to handle your knife, Jack.
You don't wanna play with
I'm
this.
not playing with your knife.
Okay.
That's a little bit more than I want to.
So tuna. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, now look at that.
See, beautiful.
And then we put some wasabis.
Are you a wasabi fan?
I've had just a little bit of
Yeah.
wasabi before. You have to be careful with it because it'll sneak up on you.
That's the truth. That is the truth.
All right, and then
All right, Jack, I'll tell you what. Put that right here. We're going to let Casey get a beautiful shot of this because this is absolutely gorgeous.
Gorgeous, yes.
How you set this
yeah,
up. And this is the kind of thing we can look for at OC Chopsticks.
yes.
All right. So, what's going to be your first choice here, April?
I'm definitely going for the shrimp.
Going for the shrimp.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Any suggestions here, Jack? What do you think?
I
Which should I eat first?
I think you should eat tuna.
Tuna.
I think you're supposed to put some soy sauce
Oh, I
and
want to put
wasabi.
some.
Yeah.
Oh, can I put? Yeah, I want to do some
don't-
soy sauce.
Do you want to do some soy sauce?
Yeah, I'll do soy sauce.
You do a little bit soy sauce.
And we're not even trying this with chopsticks because
He
Just
brought
hands
some.
fine.
He knows this better than that.
Just hands fine.
So this is your Sushi Deluxe.
Yes,
Very
Jimmy,
good.
want to try tuna?
I'm gonna try to. Pardon my reach.
Do you want some wasabi, maybe?
No.
No wasabi, okay.
It's not that I've had
Yeah,
bad
just
experience with wasabi. It just hasn't been real good.
Yeah,
All right, we're going in, Jack.
good.
It's delicious.
Thank you so much.
You know, I watched you do it, and I still don't understand how you do it. This is fantastic.
Okay.
This is fantastic.
Thank
Jack
you very much.
Chen with OC Chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
I'm sorry, I got a mouthful of food. I'm focused on the taste right now. Don't go anywhere. Del Mar for Life. Be right back.